to 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Okay, next pasta series that we're gonna do is with bumbu kuning. Okay, so we have this kind of pasta like this. You guys do, make sure it's al dente because you're gonna cook a little bit, like 1 or 2 minutes, but don't overcook it because it's gonna be bara or to be a pieces. So it's very simple, like before. We just need the butter, cheese, garlic, pepper, pasta, and bumbu kuning. Okay, so 2 spoons of butter. Okay, guys. Unsalted butter. If you have salted butter, then you just have to play with your salt. Okay, and that's it. Okay, we're gonna use bumbu kuning for this. Turn it down a little bit. Down. Okay, so now we're gonna put this, just because it's already cooked, just put it there. Maybe like half of them. Yeah, that's enough. Woo, smells so good. Okay, guys. Then now, smells so good. I need pepper, salt. Do 2 pinch of salt. If you need more, you can put more salt. And then a bumbu kuning. I'm gonna do like 2, depend on you. If you want a deeper taste, you can put more than 2 spoons. But I'm gonna put 2 spoons. Okay. 2 spoons of this. If you have onion or whatever you want to put, what I'm showing you is very easy and fast pasta dish that we combination of Italiano and Indonesian taste. Okay, there is bumbu kuning. That's it. If you have some pages, you can put some pages. If not, doesn't matter. Next, done. Let them cook a little bit, maybe like 1 or 2 minutes. Before we do the plating, we're gonna put the cheese. Okay, so we use bumbu kuning. It's kind of turmeric-y yellows. And then taste, if you need more salt, bueno. If you need more salt, put salt. But since you're gonna use cheese, that's fine. I'm gonna put a little bit more salt. I did 2 pinch, so 3 pinch salt. Then, okay, and then the cheese. Put cheese here. Okay, and you are good. Less than 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're gonna do the plating. Less than 5 minutes. You do the plating now. Okay. Okay. So good. Yeah, it's not creamy. I don't. Some people they like a creamy kind of pasta. If you guys want a creamy, so you can put whatever, make it creamy. But me, I want it very fast. Don't need to be creamy. I just need very simple taste. Okay, then you can put cheese. Okay. Then you are done. Your pasta done. Pasta done. Less than 5 minutes. Chop. Cut. Cook. Done. 5 minutes. So you have your pasta with bumbu kuning. 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Bumbu kuning with pasta Italiano. Totemo bene. Okay, so remember you have to taste your salt and all of that stuff. I'll leave it to you. And don't forget 17,000 flavors.cooking. Go purchase the seasoning. Try at home. You're gonna love it because it's totemo bene. Alright then, thank you so much guys for watching. There you go. Pasta with bumbu kuning. 17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Thank you so much and bye-bye.
17,000 flavors of Indonesia. Make the world tastier.